What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. What I want to show you today is very simple and very quick also. So how to hide any page in WordPress, meaning how to hide it from people, how to hide it from Google, how to do it in a couple of different ways. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, and here we are. This is my dashboard and let's go straight down to business. So let's just pick a page to hide, and I think that the good old sample page is gonna be great for that. So what you do, just go to edit page, and the first thing you can do to hide this page is to make it private. So how you do that is just click on where it says published and just select private. This is gonna make the page visible only to admins and editors. So yeah, let's save it. And when we view it, meaning when I view it, me being the admin of this site, it looks normally, but it does say private here at the very top. However, if I try to view it as someone else, meaning in the incognito mode, for example, I'm gonna see that the page cannot be found. So yeah, that is method number one. Number two, we can also protect it with a password. So to do that, the post needs to be published, meaning visible to anyone. However, we can now select to password protected. Let's just make the password really obvious for demo purposes. Let's save it. And right now, even I have to submit the password to see the page. So yeah, when I do that, I'm gonna see the page. And the story is quite similar for everyone else. So again, the password, enter, and here is the page. And it also says protected here next to the headline. Okay, so that is that. The next method is to just revert it to be a draft again. So when I do that, the page is effectively unpublished. It cannot be found, but I can still edit it normally as I would before. I can even preview the page, no problem. I'm gonna see it, but it's just invisible publicly. And now on to other ways to hide this page. And it's actually my favorite way, to be honest with you. So let's revert it back to be published. Let's just save it again. The page is published again. I can even see it in the incognito mode. And what I can do now is redirect this page somewhere else. So by the action of redirecting, I mean that whoever comes to this page is going to be redirected anywhere, basically anywhere on my site, anywhere externally, but I will still be able to edit it normally. So to do that, you need a plugin. The plugin I like for that is simply called redirection. So go ahead, install, activate it, and once you do, you're gonna be able to go to tools and then redirection. And in here, you can add the page, the address of the page that you want to redirect. And the easiest way to do it is just to add the slug of this page. So I can redirect it anywhere. So I'm just gonna redirect it to my home page. Let's add the redirect. And if I try to see this page now, I should be taken to the home page. So let's refresh. And indeed, I am on the home page. And yeah, I can still edit this page, no problem. I can do any changes I want, I can save them, and so on. However, again, this page isn't visible publicly. So yeah, that's one, but let me delete that so that I can show you the final method. And the final method is just to hide the page from Google. So basically anyone will be able to see this page, but it will be forbidden from being indexed by Google. However, to do that, you're gonna need a plugin. You're gonna need an SEO plugin, and basically any of them. So all the SEO plugins do have this feature enabling you to prevent any given page from being indexed. So the SEO plugin I'm using now, and the one I like the most, is called SEO Press. So if you have it installed, you're gonna see this additional section here in the top bar. Once you click it, this is the SEO panel of the page. So go into advanced and then just check the box where it says do not display this page in search engines. Let's just save that. Let's save this, and from now on this page is going to be hidden from Google and from all the other search engines. So as long as someone knows the address of this page, they can still see it, but they wouldn't be able to find it through Google. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple, as you've seen. Hiding your page from people is really easy. Try it out if you need it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop, and see you next time.